Hi, my name is Thaksina and today I will teach you about Wordpress. The reason why I choose Wordpress is because I have a chance to use Wordpress when I in the internship, and I do Wordpress about 2 or 3 websites, and I want to show how easy and how Wordpress work. It is an open source website creation platform, and Wordpress is a CMS, which means a content management system written in PHP that use a MySQL database. So now you know that Wordpress can do a website and what kind of website that Wordpress can do. So the Wordpress can do blog, an e-commerce website, a business website, a membership website, e-learning website, and many websites more than this. Here is an example of a website that created from Wordpress. So you can see here we got the Skype website. So Skype is also used the Wordpress for their web page. And here is another popular website that created by Wordpress. It is the PlayStation blog. So PlayStation also use the Wordpress for their website. To do the Wordpress website, you have 2 things. The first one is SAMP, and the second is the My PHP admin. And before we start, I have to tell that I'm using the MacBook, and it will be different if you use the Windows. So this is for MacBook, but it's not that different. It's quite similar. It's just like 10% different. So let's get started. First, you have to download the SAMP. So you go to the SAMP website and click the version that you're going to download. So mine is the MacBook, so I'm going to download the OS one. And you have to wait until it's finished downloading. After download finish, you will get this file, and you have to click, and you have to double click here again so it will install, and you have to insert your password to get downloaded. Wait for a minute, and then there will be the setup thing come out, so you click next. You also click next, and then next, and wait for it to install. And now the install is finished, so we're gonna launch it, and this is how it's going to look. And we have to click the manage server, and we're going to click start the Apache web server, and we're going to start the MySQL database, and we have to wait a second so it will say running, and here is the done for the SAMP part. Next, you're going to download the Wordpress. So you have to find the website wordpress.org to download the Wordpress that going to run in your local host. So here is the website, and you click the download and install, and you have to wait a little bit until it finished the download. And now download is done, so we're going to open the folder. So here is the Wordpress that we download. So we have to open the SAMP and go to the htdoc and drag the file that we just downloaded to the htdoc, and we can rename the file. So I'm going to use one Wordpress, and now I will type localhost slash the name that I photoed it, and it will show you the Wordpress logo and tell that what you're going to need. So let's go to the next page, and here is the thing that you have to fill out. the database path. So next we go to the my PHP admin part. So you have to type the localhost my PHP my admin, and here is what it look like, and you have to create a new database. Name whatever you want. So I'm going to name it one WordPress and click create it. Here what's my database look like for now. And we go back to the page and fill the database name that we just created. Username is root and password is empty because here we didn't make any new account. We just use the account that they give, so it will be here, and we click submit. And here we can see that in Mac it cannot make the WP config, so we have to make it manually. So we copy the code that it gave, and we open the VS Code to make the config file. So here we going to open the file that we create. We open the folder, we go to the application, we go to XAMPP, htdoc, and go to one WordPress and open it. And we have to make the new file called wp/config.php. Then we place all down of the thing that we have copied, and you can see that the database name and the user and password is already set from what we typed before. And here we click save, and then you can see that the pwconfig is already in our file. And we go back to the local host to click to run the installation. And here we mostly done. The site title, you can change it after this, but the user and password name is hard to change, but it can change. So we have to set the username and password and your email. Then we click on the install WordPress. Now we done, and we click login, and we log in the password and user that we just create. Here we click login. You can see that we already done the WordPress, and here is the database after we create the WordPress. Here is the first thing that you're going to see. So you in like the back side of the website, and you can change the theme of the website. You can look for more of the themes, and you can install and download it. There are like tons of theme that you can choose. So if you see some theme that you like, you can click install and use it. So I'm going to use this theme, so you just click activate and publish, and now your website will be look the same as the theme that you click. You click here to go back, and there's a lot of more things to do with WordPress. So they have a page, so you can add more page or more block, and you have a post that you can post, and there's a plugin that you can add more new thing, or sometimes if you want to code you can add some plugin. There's a plugin that you can use like the HTML code to put in your WordPress website, and you can click edit to fix some page that you want. Mostly plugin is a very popular one because you can type some code and you can make a plugin, your own plugin by writing your own code. And there's a lot of great plugin to use. So thank you for listening to my video, and I hope that you got some technique from my video. Thank you so much.